Okay, let's take this scenario and let's say that I just joined the Contoso sales company and my boss told me that I have to make an analysis on a Power BI report that is online on the Power BI service and the Power BI apps of the company. So how can I access this application if nothing exists in the SharePoint main site of my company? So it's very easy. We have now opened our ads in order to search in the Microsoft. But if you have another provider here as in the browser, like Google, then you will not have these buttons here that are connected with your Microsoft account. If you have these buttons, you can select the all application here in order to go to the website of all apps of Microsoft 365. If you don't have it, just click in the browser M365, which is the Microsoft 365 account, and cloud in the cloud, and then Microsoft. This will lead you to the Copilot experience. And here in the button, you will see in a little bit, now you will see that there is an apps icon. Click it, and you will be redirected to the application system of Copilot. We want to find the Power BI. Let's say it's not here, so we click on applications and we search for this application here, which is the Power BI service. It's the cloud service, and we can access it. Then we will be redirected into the fabric system of the Power BI, and specifically in the Power BI service. And here I have pinned the application, but if you don't have it, just click it here and you will find what you want, and you can pin it in your left menu in order to have it in your next visit into your site. Then click on application, and you will see all the application that are available into your account from your provider, from your IT provider. So I want to access the my application app that my head told me to. So I go here, I click it, and I am into the application. See my next video, we will navigate and see how to access the Power BI service from the Microsoft Teams.